Unlocking Heart Health, the Power of Superfoods. This video will transform your heart health and overall well-being. Let's dive into the foods that can keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. Eating fatty fish like salmon or tuna twice a week can fight heart disease by reducing arterial plaque and high blood pressure. Nuts, rich in monounsaturated fats and arginine, lower cholesterol and enhance blood flow. Turmeric's curcumin reduces inflammation and plaque. Green tea and watermelon improve blood flow and prevent blockages. Spinach and avocados lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. Olive oil and asparagus reduce artery inflammation and prevent clots. Pomegranates, cayenne pepper, berries, and garlic all contribute to a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol, enhancing circulation, and fighting inflammation. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, drink plenty of water, and get enough sleep to see remarkable results. Share this with loved ones and embark on a journey to better heart health together.